A very good morning to my fellow professors. My name is Chirag Sethi, and here in this video I'll be discussing about the project that I will be choosing for the task 1.7 HD. The project that I have chosen is an autonomous firefighting robot whose purpose is to automatically detect fire and then extinguish it. Further in this video I'll be using a presentation to demonstrate the general objectives of this project, the hardware that I have used, the software I'll be using, and also the general applications of where it will be useful in a daily life. Moving on to the presentation. Firstly, I'll be discussing the objectives of this project. The main objective of this project is that it will reduce the risk to human firefighters and will make challenging terrains accessible to us. Also, we will be getting an immediate response to the fires, thus preventing widespread damages. Now, moving on to the components required. These are all of the components required that I'll be using in my project. So, here is an Arduino Uno, three flame sensor that I'll be using, BO motor, mini water pump, jumping wire, mini servo, a motor driver, a breadboard, two batteries, transistors plus capacitor and resistor, and a chassis. So in the next slide, I have explained about them and I have given a general definition of some of them. Moving further, here is my about project section in which I have explained the working of this project. In this project, we will be connecting three flame sensors to the Arduino board and then we'll be coding the Arduino board according to our need. Also, we are using a mini water pump which will be working on the directions of the flame sensor and will work as soon as the flame sensor detects some fire. So the water pump will pump the water and will spray it on the fire, thus extinguishing it. Also, we have used a chassis and motors which will take the water pump towards the site of the fire. Given below is a project diagram in which I explained all the connections that I will be making in this project, and here is the applications. The main application for this project is to keep forest fires in check. So also it can also be used in cultural heritage sites, in ship and boats, where we can use it to protect engine rooms and cargo areas from fire risk. It can also be used in warehouses which are storing hazardous materials, so thus preventing widespread damages. At last, here is the software required, which we in this project we'll be using some of the Linux commands to code the Arduino project. So here is the software required for this project. Forward to build this project for my task 3.8 HD, and I will try my best to display this project and to demonstrate how it will work and what applications it has and what purpose it can serve in a daily life. Thank you.